So now coming to the most important topic of this section, that is invoicing and project expense submission. To do that, you can see here after the tickets there's a tab that is sales, that has a drop down menu, invoices, estimates and expenses. You can create accordingly. If you want to send estimate to the customer, you can click on the estimate, select estimate, or if you want to create an expense statement and send to the customer, click on expenses, or pop-up form will appear. You can see now it's to slate. Okay. Oh, yeah. So you can see here to create an expense sheet, expense statement. You have to click this record expense button. A form will appear. Add a receipt. By clicking the add receipt, this section, you can attach some files, some receipt, okay, like that. And the name of the expense, this is a demo expense. I already have note, this is a demo expense related to demo project yeah. And expense category, you can select from the available options, or you can create your own options if you want. So since I've created already some of the options, you can select from. I'm selecting it for non depreciation, or no, and salary and wages, okay. And the creation date of creation of this expense is that's today's date only, and the amount how much you want, that is, let it be 10,000, okay. And the reference, billable reference number, like that, since I don't have any. Then payment mode, that is bank, only available option, and no tax, tax, there's no tax. Save, you just added an expense successfully. You can see here we have just created an expense statement, which is it's saying clearly here not invoiced. So it's our next step basically. So to create invoice it, you just go up here, you can see a button invoice project. So means to attach this expense statement to this project, you have to invoice this uh, expense statement. So click on invoice project, and it's a single line. And project invoice info, see the task that will be billed on this invoice, that is new task selected. Okay, I want this task only to be billed with this invoice. So see the expenses that will be billed on this invoice, that is salary and wages. Yeah, already updated, beautifully built this PMS. Okay, and so invoice project, click on invoice project. The project is invoiced. Okay, let's see what is next. General options, like our invoice project have general options, that is customer name, that is our customer demo company, okay, and bill to and ship to addresses, and invoice number information. You can see it's our first invoice, so it's 0001. And invoice date, it's today's date, and you can put some due date also according to the requirement. And it's already 28th of March, so it's okay for now. Add, if you want to add some item to this invoice, you can. It's already some of the items it's added, like this invoice contains that it's related to that demo project, and new task which is logged for 43 seconds, I'm sorry. And the expense, that is salary, wages, or wages expense on salaries and wages, is the description. That these two items already added automatically, since we interconnected, we attach those expenses to this project, and this project to the we are invoicing this project by clicking invoice project. Okay, so everything is almost done. So is it recurring invoice? No, not actually. So it can reoccur for salary and wages every month. Okay, and this you can select the sale agent, anyone. I created one user, that was Raj Hans. And then discount before tax, after tax, already you can select before tax, and leave blank for never, or if you want to end this invoice after a period of time, then you can select a date no. Then some admin note, this is the demo project invoice, and you can select some uh, unit like quantity hours or quantity, so quantity per hours. If you wanna well some discount to the customer, you can see the enter the number in percentage value, that is 3%, 2%. I'm not availing any discount. And client note and terms and conditions, if you want to give it to customer, then it's you can type in here, and click on save button to save the invoice. Project invoice successfully. That's all for this section. Thank you.